Most people think that Gamma AI is only good for creating presentations, but they're wrong. It is actually very good at creating ebooks. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an ebook using Gamma AI, step by step as a complete beginner. I'll also be showing you how to upload your ebook on a platform that will allow you to start selling it for completely free, or you could use this ebook as a lead magnet. Now, this is an ebook that I created earlier. As you can see right here, how to start and grow a newsletter. And by scrolling down, you can quickly see how it looks right there. I'll be showing you step by step how to do that. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description, which you can use to sign up and create your first ebook for completely free. Now, let's dive in. Once on Gamma AI, you're just going to tap on Start for Free. From there, you can enter your email address. After you have entered your email address, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From this dashboard, I want you to tap right where you see Paste in Text. You can see 4 different options, but I want you to select Paste in Text. Once on this page, you're going to select Document. After selecting document, you're going to type in your prompt. When it comes onto your prompt, I want you to be very detailed. Most persons tend to type in a generic prompt, for example, just ebook about fitness. Instead, I recommend that you be very specific. So you can see my prompt right here, create a beginner-friendly ebook titled Email Marketing for Beginners. I want to include 7 chapters covering topics such as building an email list, writing newsletters, choosing email marketing platforms, and growing subscribers. So you can see a full breakdown. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on Generate. Then you're going to tap on Continue to Prompt Editor. Once you have selected Continue to Prompt Editor, you're going to give it a few seconds. After doing that, you can see right here, and what I want you to do is pay attention to the left-hand menu option. So you have different options right here, and I'm just going to leave it at concise. Then you can select who you're writing for. So for example, small business owners, solo entrepreneurs, and marketing beginners. And you could also select the tonality. I'm going to leave it at professional. And depending on the output language that you want, you can also change it. And I'll be showing you how to change the theme later on, and for now you can leave the image source at AI images. Once everything is to your liking, you can scroll down, and from here you can select the amount of cards that you want to use. So I'm going to be leaving it at 7 cards, so include 7 chapters. So I'm just going to be leaving it, for example, at 9 cards. Then we'll tap on Generate. After selecting Generate, you're going to give it a few seconds. Then you're going to see a detailed breakdown of each chapter, and I'll be showing you how you can quickly edit it. So you can pay attention to the left-hand column, and you'll be able to see the different chapters right here. So you have the intro, you have chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. You're going to see all of the different chapters right here. And you can see how quickly it is generating it. And the information is actually quite good if you were to fact check it, which I do recommend you do before you publish it. Whether it is a case that you would like to sell this ebook or you would like to give it away as a lead magnet, I recommend that you fact check it. Also, if it is a case that you would like to further edit it or add your own personal touches, you can quickly do that. So let's say, for example, you would like to add an image or you would like to add a video. All you need to do is simply tap on space, and you could go over to the right-hand menu option. You could select images, and you have numerous options. You could choose to upload an image. You could choose to add an image from the web, better yet, or you could generate AI images. So you have different options, and you can simply drag and place it wherever you want. Another thing that you could also do, if it is a case that you would like to add a button, for example, simply tap on the section that you would like to add a button. Then you'll simply tap right here, and then you're just going to scroll down, and from here you can see different options. You could split card, you can scroll down, and you can add bulletin list. You can see so many different options that you could add. You could tap on button, and then you can edit the button text and button style, as you can see right there. So there are numerous editing options that you can quickly access when it comes onto Gamma AI. And by scrolling down, you can see how the chapter looks. And if it is a case that you would like to change the image for a particular section, you can tap on the image. After you have selected the image, let me simply minimize this. So you could tap on the image, and from there you could tap on Edit with AI. And you could tell the AI what you would like to do. If you like to remove the background, make the screen brighter, you have different options you can see right there. Or you could type in what type of image you would like it to be. So you have different options that you can choose from. Now, after you have generated your ebook and it is to your liking, you'll go over to the top menu option and you're going to see the option theme. From here, you can select from any one of these themes. So let's say, for example, we were to select professional. After selecting professional, you can see different color concepts that you can use. So you could try out whichever one you think would be best. So you can see different options right here. After selecting the option that you think is best, all you need to do now is tap on share. Once you have selected share, you're going to tap on export. Then after selecting export, you're going to tap on export to PDF and just give it a few seconds. And just like that, you have exported your PDF. Once it has been exported, what I would recommend you do next, if it is a case that you would like to sell or distribute this ebook, a good platform to get started on is Beacons. With Beacons AI, you can actually use it for free forever, as you can see right here. And if it is a case that you want to sell your ebook, they would take a 9% seller's fee. You also get smart reply, IG automation, and so much more. So you could go on to Beacons AI. I'll be leaving a link in the description, and you could sign up and create an account. After you have created your account, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on digital products, then you'll tap on new product, and you'll select digital product right here. After selecting digital product, you could add your ebook cover, and a good platform to create an ebook cover on for completely free is none other than canva.com. Once on canva.com, you could type in ebook cover, then select templates, and from there you have numerous templates that you can choose from. And you can select an ebook cover that you like, then select customize this template. After you have selected customize this template, you can add your own personal touches. You can change the image, you can change the text. All of the different additions or elements are on the left hand column. Once you're finished, you'll tap on share. After selecting share, you'll tap on download. Then from there, you'll simply select download and you'll be able to download your ebook cover. Once you have downloaded your ebook cover, you'll go back into Beacons and you will simply tap right here, change the cover, and you're going to tap on add image, and we're going to select the image as you can see right here. So I'll go to my media. I'm just going to select upload image, better yet. After selecting upload image, from here I could select the image that I have created. So let me do that real quick. Then we'll tap on open, and just like that, we have added our ebook cover as you can see right here. So you can see the ebook cover. Now to add the ebook, you'll select product files in the top menu option. After selecting product files, you'll tap on upload file and you're going to select the ebook. So let me select the ebook real quick. You're going to select the ebook, then you're going to tap on open and it is going to add the ebook just like that. After you have added your ebook, you're going to change the price. You can change the price to whatever you want. So let's say, for example, I'd like to sell it for $8. Then you have different information that you can quickly edit. Once you're finished, you'll tap on next, and just like that, you now have your ebook and you can start selling your ebook online. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And remember, I've included a link that you can use to sign up and use both of these platforms for completely free. Thanks for watching.